Friends, welcome to our channel Inhouse ERP. Today I am going to make a series on our in-house ERP system, that is iFMS portal. Today I am going to create a profile in our system. This is the basic step to use the facility of our in-house ERP iFMS portal. Enter email, select department, generate password, select staff type and assign role. After this, an automatical email shoot to the registered email ID that be entered now. Now you see profile created successfully and email shoot to the email ID. Now this user now can use the facility of our in-house iFMS portal. Thanks for watching our video. Please do like, subscribe and share. Next video I will show you how to log in our in-house ERP iFMS portal. Thanks for watching.